Hi guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have another lockdown here in the UK, therefore I thought it would be the perfect time to start vlogging my mundane, boring life again. I've not done a vlog in a long time, I think since the last time was like April, May kind of time. It's currently Friday afternoon. I've just received a package from Essence, which I'm very excited about. So I'll open and try that on. It's a pair of trousers, which I think are too small for me. Because they ran out of my size before I could purchase them, which is annoying. I've been constantly hitting refresh on all the news websites, BBC, CNN, because it's the presidential election. I know I live in the UK, but I feel like America is such a big deal in the entire world that it's also really hard to get away from. Like, you can't not go anywhere or look at anything without talking about it. And I just find it really, really interesting. And at the moment, Biden has 253 electoral votes and Trump has 214. And Biden is actually winning in a lot of the other states, but very, very slightly. So it's a very like close race. It's gonna be really interesting to see what happens. Obviously don't wanna jinx anything by saying anything too soon, so I'm gonna try and film my live reaction when I find out who wins. I've literally just been at home today. I've been taking pictures for Instagram at home and filmed a reels, which I just put on my Instagram. My Instagram is at Gallucks if you don't follow it already. This lockdown's a little bit different here in the UK. Like, I think the first time around it was very daunting because it was like this whole brand new thing that we'd never done before. No one knew what to do. And this time we've all kind of done it before. So yes, it's very depressing and very like mentally draining. But we kind of know a little bit of how to handle ourselves or cope with things or do things. So I think it's a little bit different this time. And actually, reading the news, the rules aren't as strict as they were last time either. It's like dentists and stuff are still open because I actually need to get the back bar. What's it called? I have like a bar at the back of my bottom teeth because I did have Invisalign like a few years ago. So I have a bar to keep them in place, but part of it's come off, so I really need to go to the dentist to sort it out. So dentists are still open, which is good. Oh, that's what I was gonna say, I almost forgot. The Nike Sacai vaporwaffles released today, and I haven't won any of the raffles that I've entered so far, which is very, very annoying. I really, really like those sneakers, so if I don't win any raffles, I'm just gonna have to buy them at resale, which I really didn't want to do. I don't think I've ever won any raffles of any sneakers. The only raffle I ever won was the pair of the very first Pirate Black Yeezy sneakers, which was 2015, 2014, whatever. That's the only raffle I've ever won. But on the flip side, I did secure an iPhone 12 Pro Max on pre-order today as well, so that's good. I've not had a new phone since the start of 2019 because me and Scott went to Bali and we went surfing in Canggu, and I thought the iPhone was waterproof, so I kept it in my pocket for a 2-hour surfing lesson, and then was wondering why it wasn't working when I came back to our villa. So my phone completely frazzled and died. I obviously killed like the circuit board or whatever from submerging it in water for 2 hours. So when I came back, I got the iPhone X Max, iPhone 10 Max. I can't really remember what the name of that phone is. So these actually came super quick. I do order from Essence now and again, not like all the time. I love how simple Essence's packaging is. It's literally just like a cardboard box with the item. There's no like paperwork or fuss or anything, which is cool. So they're a pair of biker trousers. I was obsessed with a pair of biker trousers from Balenciaga, but they didn't end up producing them. So I was a bit gutted. And plus these are a lot cheaper anyway. I mean, they're still not cheap, but they're a lot cheaper than the Balenciaga ones. But like I said, they only had a 48 and I think I'm a 50. Like, we shall see. They're from a brand called System, which they don't sell in a lot of places. Guys, it's worse than I thought. So I just thought that the waist wouldn't be big enough, but it's my thick thighs. Again, look. Look at these. Okay, so apart from the pants that won't even do up, look how my thighs are filling these like leggings. If these fit, these would be so cool. I might even consider getting even a bigger size up, but maybe it's just my thighs filling up this fucking section. They look like packed meat. Oh my god, this is not a good look. But the pants are really fucking cool. It's such a shame. Why do I have to be so thick and juicy? So disappointed in you. This is them. They're so nice. And they don't even have any bigger sizes, they just have smaller sizes now. This is so upsetting, I'm just gonna have to send them back. Also guys, I know this is super random, but look what I got last night from Little Mix's PR team. I got a cake that it says confetti because their new album is called Confetti, and oh my god, me and Scott shared this slice at lunchtime today and it is delicious. It actually had a tube of confetti in the middle as well, but I took it out because I thought that was a bit weird. But their new album is really, really good. I'm a huge Little Mix fan anyway. If you follow my playlist, you'll see I always add Little Mix's new songs to my playlist. But if you've not heard Confetti yet, you should go listen. And think of me eating my cake whilst you're doing it. Good morning guys, it's Saturday. I've just woken up. I fell asleep watching Sword Art Online last night. Still no update from the presidential election, although Biden is now winning in Pennsylvania, which means he could just take the whole thing, which would be amazing. Really random, I never introduced you to our pets. So we have two pet rats, Charmy and Luck. They live in Scott's gaming room, and they're very cute. That's Charmy, she's having a drink. They're fancy rats, so they're not like the rats on the street. And there's Luck, trying to get some water with her. They're still quite young, we only got them in February, so they're a bit like skittish sometimes. And they don't like new people, they're scared of new people. But they're obviously fine with me and Scott. Hello. And contrary to popular belief, rats as pets are very clean, they don't smell at all. They're just very cute. So that's the girls. Scott's just in the shower. I'm gonna make breakfast. After breakfast, I'll shower and then I'll go to return those biker pants. I did something very silly yesterday. Well, it wasn't silly. It's more like I acted too soon. So, because I was posting that I didn't win the Sacai, like any of the Nike Sacai raffles on my Instagram story, like a reseller, sneaker reseller, Instagram page DM'd me and was like, oh, do you want me to locate them for you? And I was like, actually, yes, please, that would be great. And they were cheaper than they were on StockX, so I was like, okay, I'll just go for it. So they're around £400, so I was like, it's a lot, but I do really want these sneakers. I've not won any raffles, so I'm not gonna get them now, so whatever. So I just did it. And then at like 11:30 at night, I got an email from Foot Patrol, which is a shop here a sneaker shop here in London, which is like, congratulations, you won the raffle. So now I'm getting 2 pairs, but I'm gonna make that money back. I need to make that money back, so I'm just gonna sell 1 pair back again on StockX to make up for my accident. Yeah, acted too soon. So yeah, but at least I know I'm definitely getting a pair because I really, really like those. Yeah, so I've just got a little to-do list of stuff and then I'm going to head out and grab a coffee. The sky is really nice today. All hazy, but blue and pinky as well. I've just put the tape on this and literally the thought of biting this goes through me, and we only have 1 pair of kitchen scissors and they're in the wash. Scott's playing video games, but like online, so he can't come away from it, so I have to figure out how to break this tape. I tried biting it, but honestly, I just can't do it. Oh, no. It makes me feel weird. So funny, I just made a order from Zara because I wanted this pair of women's boots in a size 9 to see if they fit me. And they just got them back in stock. And they did this like cool faux leather puffer jacket as well. So I've ordered that and I just assumed it would come next week, but they actually do same day delivery. So it should come today. Any news on the president? No, still Biden 253 and Trump 214. Yeah, I'm just popping out, so I'm literally just wearing a Nike sweatshirt, some Boohoo joggers, and my Balenciaga track sneakers to be super comfortable. Post office, pick up stuff for dinner and get a coffee. I don't know if you've seen my Instagram stories, but a few weeks ago, I mean, I've had a few of these in the past before. I will have actually showed you guys one during the last lockdown, but it was a Pokemon one, but now I have a Gundam one I'm gonna build. It's just a plastic model kit from Forbidden Planet. This is what talking to your boyfriend is like when he's playing an online game. Hello.
Joel.
Hey Scott. Hey Scott.
What?
I'm gonna go pick up stuff from the shop for dinner. What do you want me to get?
Whatever.
But you're cooking.
Yeah, but it's fine, I'll just cook whatever.
So I'll just buy anything and you'll be happy with it. Hello?
What?
Guys, I just got back and my Essence return was £50 and that was only insured for £100. So if I wanted to do the full insurance, it would have been like 70 or something. It's tracked and signed for, but still, that's a lot of money just to return something. So hopefully I've made this mistake so you don't have to. Do not order off Essence if you have not tried it on. Obviously, if you live outside Canada or the US and you haven't tried it on, and you don't know if it will fit and you're a bit like unsure, be positively sure because returning it is a lot of money.
No way!
Fucking won! Yes!
Oh my god, was it Pennsylvania?
Biden takes Pennsylvania and the presidency!
Wow.
I'm so happy. I don't even live in America and I'm so happy. I cannot wait to not see that orange mound on my screen anymore, and I can't wait for his Twitter to be deleted. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay guys, it's Sunday morning. Strange turn of events. Last night, me and Scott were watching Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. I think that's the name of it, which was so fun. Definitely recommend. But I left my phone on the side and I missed the same day Zara delivery that I paid for, which was annoying, but it's fine. It's not the end of the world. It'll just come tomorrow. Also, my blunder of getting 2 pairs of Nike sacais, one from the reseller on Instagram and one from Foot Patrol. The Foot Patrol pair has arrived on a Sunday morning, which is kind of good. So it makes up for not getting the Zara delivery. And also it means I get to try this size on, because they're actually 2 different sizes. But it depends like which size fits, and I'll put the other on StockX. Here they are. So I thought I would do a little unboxing here with you guys. I haven't really done a sneaker unboxing video in ages, and I guess this one is just more part of a vlog. So they're from Foot Patrol, which is a store here in London, a sneaker store. And as I was saying yesterday, this is like where I got my first pair of Yeezys from, so it's a good place to enter. Wow. Actually, the smell coming off them is amazing. It's like fresh factory shoes. Wow. They're so nice. Oh, look at, you get more laces with them as well. Oh, if you wanted to make them all grey, I guess. Wow, the design on the sole is wild. They are so nice. I can't get over them really. It's got like 3 bits of the sole on it. Let's compare it to the old ones. I've not worn these in a hot minute, but oh, they're about the same size, you know. I kind of thought that they'd be a lot bigger, but when you look at the soles, it's like this bit has been turned up and they've shoved another bit inside it, but they still look kind of similar sizes. By the way, I've literally just woken up and had breakfast, so I'm not in like an outfit. I'm just in comfy clothes to wear. Oh, they feel good. And they look so nice. They're actually super comfortable. I think this size is fine because I have a bit of space at the end. And because they are so big. Ah! They're so nice. I'm so happy that I finally got them. I was a bit like, what if I never get them? Because it's impossible to get sneakers nowadays. That's another little mixed confetti right there. So I have like this much room at the end, and these are an 8.5, so I think these are perfect. I'm actually in love with them so much. They're so comfortable as well. Okay guys, so I think that's all the interesting things that are gonna happen today. So I'm gonna call it quits and I'm gonna edit this now. Thank you so much for watching if you got this far. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know if you wanna see more vlogs in the comments below. Let me know what you think of the vapor waffles and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching guys, bye.